6 online business ideas that could grow your business exponentially. I am expanding my business online after learning from my mentor. I am krgoswami, psychologist, author, and trainer. I want to give a hypothetical condition to you. You are visiting a mall and there is a demonstration of helicopter and helicopter is for sale. How many of you will like to purchase the helicopter? Your answer will definitely be no, because everything is not meant for everybody. So first point I want to give, that is, find the right audience. You have to search for the right people, right needs and right ages. Number 2, selective different contents for different stages. For example, if you are making a video and uploading in the YouTube, everybody is not going to watch it from start to the end. Some people will watch up to 50%, some people up to 70%, and some people up to 90%. You have to write contents for the people who are watching up to 50%, contents for the people who are watching up to 70%, and people who are watching up to 90%. Number 3, produce great creations. If you are creating a video, podcast or blogs, your creation should be excellent and people should be attracted like a honey. Number 4, high converting landing pages. Contents of your landing pages should be in such a way that everybody should be attracted towards that. Number 5 is email automation. You are going to deal with the thousands of people, so you cannot send every text or every content to everybody. So you have to take them for different segments and interest. You may be sending videos to some people, you may be sending your podcast to somebody, you may be sending your normal text to people. Number 6 and last is testing. You have to test all the stages, find the right audience, select different contents for different stages, produce great creations, high converting landing pages, email automations. Every stage you have to test and retest. Right friends, if you are interested to learn step by step in a systematic way, you can join Internet Lifestyle Hub. The details are given in the description and links are there. You can join the group and learn everything and grow your business exponentially. Thank you.